I fall here 3 times, I'm gonna go to a next obby. So let's just play this first. Okay, so let's play this first because I am good at obby. Asid kakalaki mo. Just there's no sound to this, guys, and do not mind the background noise because my sister that's one na fall ko, guys. If I fall 3 times, I will gonna move on to another game. So sorry if I got too wrong na. So if I fall the last time, so I'm gonna move on to another obby. Sana hindi na ako, guys, malalaglag. Magaling nga ako palagi sa obbies eh. Magaling talaga ako. Ay. Sige na nga, may 1 ako. Every obby that I just got one ad. Stop it a second. You are my name. Right video, guys. Sorry, so nagkakalit. So this is my last chance, guys, because we have 4 life, because we have an extra life, guys. So yeah. So guys, if you pass this already, so just gonna show you my name first and just follow me, guys, because just follow me and I will just gonna say yes. Okay, just follow me, guys, and follow me and friend me in Roblox. So I'm not a creator yet. If I just hit 1K, I am a creator, I think. But I am not a creator. But thank you, guys. I just hit 100 subscribers like a month ago. A girl, I'm already here. Congrats on walking up and thank you for playing the game. So cute. Ang cute ng avatar niya, guys. Ang cute. Anong pangalan ba niya? So guys, let's play another obby. Obby, guys, yung slap tower, kasi nalalaro palagi yung, guys, yung slap tower, at madaming naglalaro dito sa slap tower. So ayaw ko gamitin yung slap, guys, at sasabihin ko may secret kasi dito eh. Sana wala magtutroll. Sasabihin ko mga secret dito, guys. Sana wala magtutroll kasi alam mo last time ang sweet yung lalaki kasi hackers. Mas sweet yung hacker kasi sabi na hack yung magtutroll sa mga nagtutroll. Yung last time na laro ko to ay nag-troll nila yung trollers. Troll niya yung trollers. So ayaw ko yung troller na yon, pangit. Ano to? May nagtutroll. Wait lang, guys. Patayin ko lang muna internet ko kasi Yun yung nagagawa ko pag kailangan ko pumunta agad. So, yan ginagawa ko. Madali lang, simple, at saka mumble. Ang saya din naman guys kasi ayaw ko dito mag-troll kasi alam nyo guys, nag-troll yung mga ibang tao at saka sobrang ayaw ko pag may trollers kasi ayaw ko talaga. So, napapatay ko internet. Sa, diba, naalala mo, sabi ng mga fans ni Siko, I think Siko, close your internet, at saka, na-close niya yung internet at na yung live na bye. Ito ko. Okay. So, oh my god! I fell again! I just got 2 more life. Kakala. Shut up, I'm heard enough. Kakala. Hini, I'm holding. Ay! That's a second fall. So, I am already gonna fail if I fall in this obby. Oh. Sana hindi ako tulad sa beacon ganyan. Hey boy, the coconut nut is a... Ay, nalaglag na ako. Next game. Ang mode na slap tower guys. Ano na lang. Ito na lang. Wait, ito na lang. Ito na lang. So guys, ito na lang pipili ko. Yuck. Bakit beacon yun? Ay, gets ko na pala. Okay, so ano ba? Again. So, if I fall in here, I think I completed this last time. But, hindi pa ako sure guys, kasi na-complete ko to last time. Ay naku, may pag-asa na ikaw. Filipino kayo guys, comment down below. Okay lang pag walang dito mga follow kasi okay lang sa akin. I love being a YouTuber anyways, but hindi ako sanay mag-YouTube palagi. Yung last video ko, I think like a month ago, yeah. Or a week ago. Ang bilis niya. Guys, alam mo, si Real Rose needs help. Cause I don't know, but one video that sabi ni Real Rose, help me, my dad is hitting me, call 911. I think ganyan, but help me, ganyan. Help na lang. Tulad sabi, help me. At saka, yung sa last post niya, I think a week ago yung last post niya. So, I think Real Rose actually needs help. But I don't know yet. Real Rose has a lot of followers pala. I think Real Rose has YouTube. And I think there's another. Oh my god. Hindi ito yung naglag. Ay, naglag pala yan. Okay. 1 point kasi tulad laglag yan guys. Ay, laglag talaga. Guys, this is my second one. So, I'm gonna end this video right here guys. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn the bell up. Bye.